I tried to intro several times, but I don't know. This one hopefully works. So many things happened 2026 in January. We had new roof entirely repaired. It's already worn out when we moved into this house. Repairing the roof is a big project, so we just forget it. And we had a big hail last June and September, I believe. Never stop. My goodness, it's winter. It leaked. So we had to fix it. And now we have very new, clean, nice roof entire our house. That was good, but I couldn't film my vlog because it was so noisy and all that banging and tearing sound. I have a pickup order. And secondly, I had a kitty adopted from my sisters in Georgia. So because she couldn't keep her, so I took her when I visit her last December with Jacob, my son. 귀엽다. 아이 귀여워. And she has some problem her teeth. Her canine growing wrong directions. So when I took her to the vet, my vet said that I need to take her to special doctor, which is animal dentist. Yeah, they have animal dentist. So I took her there. I just want to know what is going on. And she couldn't do anything except for inspections, canines. But she was so tiny and too young, so the doctor, she couldn't do it. We made another appointment for checkup, and I canceled it because it came out nicely. Yep. So my kitty doesn't have to do extractions, but still her lower jaw developing is not that good. So it keep poking upper gum. So eventually extractions, two canines, lower two canines. Yeah. And she's gonna do spaying coming March. Yeah, so many things going on. Some of them are done, like a roof repaired, that's done. But my kitties are still going on. Last week in January, Jacob got really sick in the middle of night. I don't know why the kids always are sick in the middle of night.
Yes.
Select one option. I don't know. No. We just talked to the doctor. Jacob doesn't need any medications. He was, but doctor said no. No pain and then no medications. 2 a.m. So I took him to the ER for the first time since we moved in here, New Mexico. He's okay now. Yeah, so he has to reduce all the sodiums and drinks, especially juice. He really likes to drink juice, not the food. He doesn't want to eat food, but he really always likes to drink. Yeah, that's really hard to him, he told me. My English online class is almost done. That is total 5 weeks. But the homework is no joke. Every day, homework. I'm so sorry guys, I couldn't film. Actually I did, but that is kind of a snapshot. So I try to edit, it doesn't make sense. So weird. So it doesn't make sense, yeah. So I didn't do it. Now I'm going to get coffee. My coffee machine's some kind of a parts is missing. Maybe I threw that because I always tap on the edge of the trash can. So maybe I threw that. I don't know. But there's a little door there, flat. It's gone. So I couldn't get my coffee at home. So I'm driving to get coffee for 30 minutes. And then I'll go pick up my things I ordered online this morning because our hand soap ran out. So I'm gonna get hand soaps. That's it. Then get a coffee. Then I'm gonna go home. Now we'll see. I'm gonna do edit today. Actually, I did roughly edit, but subtitles and music or something like that, I didn't do it. So this is kind of very first vlog since we have a new year, 2026. So I want to be look good. So to you guys. So I tried to, no, not this one. I tried many times I vlogged, but no, not this. No, this is not good. So, okay, that's it. I'm just gonna do it. It's not gonna be perfect. Like always, people say that. I'm just gonna do it. This is my everyday life actually, not that special. So, I don't know what else I can do. Film? Please let me know. I don't know. Well, so today just so nice. And these days, I'm very into plants. I don't know. My soul wants to have plants. I don't know. Every time I go to store, I'm looking for plants. I don't care about the pot. Some people really care about that. I just want to have nice, pretty plants and flowers indoor. But one thing is have really hard to do, have plants at home. We have animals at home. 3 cats and 1 dog. So every time I try to get a plant, I gotta look up internet which plant is safe for pets. That's really not good. Some beautiful plants are very toxic to pets, so I can't get it. Maybe I'm gonna go look at plants maybe. Right now it wasn't plant though, but I feel like I want to go look at the plants. It's already end of February, my goodness. How are you having 2026, guys? Is it good? I wish you have a good 2026. I can't wait springtime. I'm gonna plant little flowers outside maybe. Every day I'll spend time by myself like this. Go to grocery shopping and appointments, playing with my cat. Every day I do this. No friends. That's weird. I've been living like this since I come here to the States 2015 from Germany. We lived in Germany for 5 years. I had friends at the time, but not in here. I don't know. Maybe we moved every 3 to 4 years. So I don't know. Every time my life changed. We moved to some different state. Before living here, I lived in Oklahoma. Everything has good and bad, so that's okay. Ooh, today is so nice. Right now, 57. I have an olive tree a few weeks ago, but that olive tree is from Mediterranean. It's gotta have a lot of sunlight, at least 8 hours. From 2 days ago, I left the olive tree outside. It's cold, but I looked it up internet again. Internet's my teacher. It's always giving me best solutions. And it says sunny, cold weather better than dark or inside. I leave the olive tree outside. And I leave the dog Fluffy her inside because she might getting a tree. She destroyed my monstera. No, lucky tree. She destroyed lucky tree. I don't know. That tree wasn't huge. It was a small one, and the stem is really thick. Totally broken out of the pot. I want to have a big, medium size, not too tall, or shorter than me. I don't like big trees inside of my house. But I don't know. The Fluffy is the trouble. I'll go pick up pencil first, then go to get some my coffee. Okay, now I got all my orders online and I'm gonna get coffee. Okay, I ordered it and probably I'm gonna go look at the plants because I love it these days. So let's go see plants. Look at that, how clear the nice weather. I'm just gonna look at it. I'm not getting because I have too many pets inside. It's not safe. One of my cats ate some plants, so almost killed it. I want to have this one, but it's not safe for pets. Bye. And I want to have this one too. It's not also good for pets. Bye. Everything I like toxic to pets. I think this one is safe for pets, but I don't want to get this one. Guys, I want to have this one, but it's toxic to pets. My goodness, I can't buy any. If anthurium is toxic to pets. I'm not sure this plant is toxic to pets or not, but it's way too big. It looks like taller than me, so I don't like some plants taller than me at home. Okay, let's go. All plants are not pet friendly, so I couldn't get. I have a little plants at home, so I want to get some bigger, tall plants, but not too tall. They don't have it. Before go home, I'm gonna grab a coffee. I really wanted to buy tall plants, but they don't have it. Okay, I got my coffee. Got here a little bit late. The coffee is perfect temperature to drink it. Always too hot, and now it's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect. Okay, let's go home. Okay, I'm home. I went over there for this coffee. This is the first time I'm drinking venti size. Now this thing is gone. Something to door here. It's good. So I'll get this one. This is Jacob's food. He ordered the other day on the way home. We picked up quesadilla. Let's eat this one. Guys, this is so good. I finished lychee gummy candy. This is really good. Lychee, my favorite one.